Why millionaires move to Dubai? 10 reasons. Number 1, the tax-free environment. Dubai has 0% income tax, capital gain tax, and dividend tax at the personal level if you spend more than 90 days in the country. So first, you become a non-tax resident in your country of origin, then you become a resident in the UAE, which I explained in another video that's gonna be here at the end of this one. And then, if you spend more than 90 days here, 0% taxes at the personal and corporate level, boom boom, ching ching. You make $1 million, you keep $1 million, which brings us to the second point, the luxurious lifestyle, because you can keep more of your money instead of paying 40%, 50%, 60%, like in most places in Europe. You keep all this money and you can reinvest it in your business, or you can use it just to enjoy life. Dubai has the luxury to, gentlemen, enjoy your money. Believe me, you can find all the luxury, all the services you want here, high-end, so wealthy individuals really enjoy this city. By the way, if you want some ideas of premium places where you can enjoy your money, hotels, restaurants, you'll have other videos in this channel that will give you ideas for when you come to Dubai, or if you're already here, to upgrade your experience. Number 3, it's a strategic location. Dubai is in the Middle East, so you have Asia very close, you have Africa, you have Europe, all it's at 3 to 5 hour flights. So you have great connections of flights for business if you need to go out, or it also makes it very simple for someone to come and visit you in Dubai to network. Number 4, high security. Dubai is one of the safest cities on the planet. And for wealthy individuals, this is just heaven. So easy to walk the street, you can wear clothes that you like, luxury clothes, you can wear jewelry, you can wear whatever you want, you're not gonna get robbed. Try that in the UK and tell me your experience. Completely different, two different worlds. Dubai, it's just safe. You can find videos in the internet actually, people leaving $3,000 in a wallet on the street for a couple hours, and again and again and again, different spots of the city. What happens? They take the wallet, bring it to the closest restaurant, they keep it there. When you ask security, oh yeah, we found your wallet, and they give it back to you. So both for tourists and for residents, by safety, complete peace of mind. Number 5, opulent real estate. Here you can find absolute luxury, high quality endings. You can buy villas, you can buy mansions, penthouses with stunning views, because if they build a palm tree and islands man-made, what can't you find in Dubai? Well, it's just a matter of your imagination, because anything you want here, they're gonna build it for you fast and with premium quality. Number 6, business opportunities. Over a cup of tea, over a coffee, over a meal, over a beautiful dinner with the sunset overseeing the Palm. Here in Dubai, you can close pretty good deals. To be honest, I've talked about this in previous videos, and it's just booming. Every smart, driven entrepreneur that wants to make money is coming here to Dubai. It's a place that it's attracting thousands of millionaires. It has, the UAE, by the way, gentlemen, has one of the highest rates in attracting these millionaires in the past years. So if all of them are here, what are you doing not in Dubai? Crypto-friendly, real estate, whatever your business, you can find people here that will listen to your idea and even put capital if your project is good. Number 7, world-class infrastructure. Besides the luxury that we talked about, Dubai is efficient, Dubai is fast. For example, our clients that choose the elite package to become residents in the UAE, they can do everything in under 2 hours. The medical test, the X-ray, the fingerprints in less than 10 minutes in those offices. Bam, bam, bam. Everything's digital, everything's fast. Your incorporation of the free zone company can be done completely abroad. 3 days, everything online. Boom. Like that. So for someone who values speed, if you, for example, don't have problem spending more money and get what you want faster, then here, taxis, or even you need something at home, delivery, you just take the app, boom, boom, done. You have somebody knocking on your door, delivery is here, whatever you need, any time of the day. The city that never sleeps, you have restaurants, if you want to eat out late, 1 a.m. open, 2 a.m. open. So from food to delivery to transportation, it's efficient. Number 8, Dubai is a cultural melting pot, so you can find millionaires from all over the world to connect with, and because of that, everybody that comes to Dubai, it's easily welcome. You can find all nationalities working in different tiers of the society, and everybody just mixes in and integrates very well in my experience so far all the time that I've been here. Number 9, here in Dubai you can find excellent education and healthcare. So for millionaires that can afford international schools, if you have children, well, you can have the best schools for them. Also, you need something done, whatever it is, operations, dentist, any type of healthcare, you go to high-end, top-tier hospitals. So live with family here, check. And before number 10, let me tell you a 9.5, which I'm gonna expand in the next video as well over here. But Dubai, it's not roses and all beautiful and all good. Actually, there are 5 reasons you shouldn't move to Dubai. But first, number 10, overall high quality of life here. From healthcare to leisure activities to making more money thanks to the network and the business opportunities you can find here in Dubai. It's the perfect balance between work as much as you want and then have fun. So highly attractive place for millionaires to live. But now, gentlemen, the truth, 5 reasons why you shouldn't move to Dubai. Want to know more? Check out this video right here. Miquel Gironès from Dubai, the extraordinary Adeu, and continue here.